If you're having issues printing black or color, your print quality has been diminished, or you have lines, your prints are choppy, I'm going to show you a method today that's going to help you solve that inexpensively and on your own. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hey you guys, what's going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today we got the Epson XP6100 and we are going to be fixing this printer. Essentially what we're going to be doing is using the Best Printers cleaning kit. I'll go more into this later, but there will be a link in the description below. This is what you will be using to clean out your printer and to flush out the dried up ink. That's really what is happening here, is you have dried up ink in the printhead, and all these terms will become relevant to you once we go on further into the video. This is an instructional video, so watch it from the beginning all the way till the end. You will also receive instructions in the Best Printers cleaning kit packaging and on the back of the packaging. So you have a ton of instructions to follow here. As long as you follow these instructions, anyone can do it, as long as you are able to follow instructions and you have two hands. That's all that's required. Products that I mentioned aside from the Best Printers cleaning kit, there will be a link to in the description below as well. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. If you want more content like this for a different model or for recommendations on a new printer, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions at all about the process, about anything that I do here in the video, comment below. That's really all I have for now, so without further ado, let's get into this repair. Okay, so what you will need for this repair is the Best Printers cleaning kit. You're going to need some gloves and some paper towel. Okay, so getting right into this repair, you are going to be printing out a nozzle check. So to print out a nozzle check, you're going to go into your maintenance, which should be on the home screen here. Maintenance, it's going to allow you to print a nozzle check. Print that out. The reason why you want this nozzle check is because you're going to be able to determine what color you need to clean out first and what nozzle you need to work on. That term is going to become relevant in just a few minutes, but you're going to see here what color you're having issues with. If you're beyond this point and you're not able to print anything, you just skip this part and continue to the next step. So now you're going to be printing out a second nozzle check. And as soon as you hear the printhead moving back and forth, you're going to unplug the power cord from the printer. This is going to leave the printhead sitting in the middle, and it's going to allow you to move it back and forth, and you can move it wherever you need to. Remove the paper that was there before. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the ink cartridges. I will tell you right now that most of the time, the reason for the problem you're having is that you're running your ink too low. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some brand new 302 Epson ink. Now you can line them up on the nozzle report just like that to determine what color you need to work on first, and so that you can categorize and be able to tell where on the printhead you need to work on. So this is the printhead, and you will see here in just a moment, those are the nozzles that are laying down in there. So before that though, you're going to want to remove that tray and have the paper tray opened. You're going to want to lay some paper towel down in there. This is an additional step just so that you don't have a big mess when you're doing this. It does get a little bit messy, just so you know. And of course, the Best Printers cleaning kit, you can find that in the description below. Okay, so now you're taking a look at your report and you're determining what color you need to work on first. A lot of times it's black or magenta. So I'm going to start off with the black nozzle, and it's the large black ink cartridge, which has two different nozzles. And as you see there, I'm going to go back and forth and work on both of them. So you're going to lay the cleaning kit's syringe tubing flush with the nozzle, and you're going to push through the cleaning solution. So a little bit on the first nozzle, and then I'm going to move on to the second nozzle. Once there's about 10 milliliters there, 15 milliliters that I've used, and this is a 20 milliliter syringe, which is a premium syringe. Now, if you need more cleaning fluid, I'm going to leave a link under the Best Printers cleaning kit link for some additional cleaning fluid so that you have enough to do that. So wipe that down, clean everything off. and you're gonna see here on the paper towel that's under, that's all the dried up ink, in your case, all the dried up ink that is coming out of the printhead. So that's exactly what you wanna see. I'm doing this a second time to the magenta, and I'm just flushing the whole 20 milliliters through. Now, if you're having an overall and general print quality issue, like I said, you're going to want to do this to all the nozzles. But if you know what color is giving you the most issues, you can just focus in all that cleaning solution on the one color. That's going to be most effective. So once you're done, you remove the paper towel, remove everything, and make sure everything is cleaned. And I'm going to be replacing the ink cartridges now. And at this point, you're going to want to put everything back together, power everything back on. And what I'm doing now is you're going to go through about 3 phases of cleaning. So you're going to go into your maintenance, and you're going to go into printhead cleaning. You see it there. It's the second option. It doesn't show in the video, but it's the second option. And what I'm doing now is I'm printing a nozzle check, but what you need to do is go right into the cleaning. There's 3 different phases. The first phase, you're going to get something a little bit like what we're going to see here in just 2 seconds. You see that there's more colors missing than before. This is normal. The printhead's ink has been completely flushed, so you need to go to through about 3 phases of printhead cleaning. Again, it's the second option in the maintenance. The second time you will see, after the first cleaning actually, it's back a little bit more. And then after the second, around the third time, you're going to get even more back, and you'll see that also in just a few seconds here. So you're going through, and as you go through the phases, it's going to get a little bit longer. So this takes about, it says 5 minutes. Then it's going to allow you to check the report. You're going to print that out. And once you see that all the colors are back, there's no reason, of course, to go through any additional cleaning. But you'll see here that there's a little bit of cleaning solution, but it's all of my colors are back to normal. That's exactly how it should look. And you can see the progression through the phases, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And phase 3 is where all the colors came back. So be patient with this process. You will be able to clean your printer and fix your issue that you're having. If it's beyond repair, I recommend you buy a new printer. Visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. I'm also going to leave a link to this printer, brand new. So if you want to keep the same printer ink, that's going to be available to you as well. So again, make sure to get your Best Printers cleaning kit. Also make sure to get your brand new and fresh ink. I would actually say that do not continue on any longer without getting new ink if you're doing this project. So thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If it was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment if you have any questions at all. And if you want more content like this, or you want, printer reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time. All right, you guys, so Amazon Prime is available. There's a 30-day free trial. It's going to be like the 5th or 6th link, I would say, in the description below is where I'm going to put this. But if you're wanting to get the Best Printers cleaning kit, some ink, maybe some gloves and paper towel you were even wanting to throw in there, get it with Amazon Prime. If you don't have it already, you are missing out on savings. I personally have this, and I get things very quickly in the mail. I'm very, very satisfied with this. You also get a lot of other additional things with Amazon Prime, but the main thing is to get these products in quickly so that you can begin working on your printer and you can get back up and running and back to normal inexpensively. You don't have to pay shipping. Again, it's a 30-day free trial, and they will even renew it to be a 60-day free trial. I've had that happen with my account. So again, link in the description below. Please make sure to go down there, take what you need. And if you were wanting to sign up for 30 days for free, there's nothing to lose there. So I hope that this information was helpful and that you end up signing up for Amazon Prime, get your stuff quickly, and good luck with this cleaning.